Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing minimum funds required for entering Thailand. This is a topic that's posed some debate in forums and various online platforms, and it revolves around the issue of whether or not one needs to have a certain amount of money accessible or on their person at the time they enter the kingdom. Why is this a requirement, or why is this a possible requirement, the viewer may be asking themselves? Well, the reason it may be a possible requirement is mostly in a non-immigrant visa context, specifically in even a tourist visa or those entering with just a 30-day stamp or a visa exemption or a visa on arrival. Those who have been using visa on arrivals, tourist visas, or 30-day exemption stamps for a prolonged period of time may have some issues with multiple entries into the kingdom, as immigration officials are going to want to see that that individual basically, first of all, has tourist intent, so not the intention to remain long-term in the kingdom. And long-term, as a rule of thumb, basically means over about 6 months in an aggregate period over the course of a calendar year, but also that that individual or individuals has the means to take care of themselves while they're in the kingdom. One of the big issues with respect to tourist visas in the past is there were a lot of people that were using them and then working illegally in the kingdom, and immigration is trying to clamp down on that practice. So those who are coming into Thailand on multiple tourist visas or multiple exemptions or multiple visas on arrival may get scrutinized more heavily by an immigration official, and that immigration official may want to go ahead and see that the individual has sufficient funds in order to, again, take care of themselves here in the kingdom. Now, folks have asked me, and I've seen it sort of swirl about the internet with respect to what is the minimum amount. It's my understanding there's no hard and fast rule with respect to a minimum. But that being said, 20,000 baht at various immigration checkpoints seem to be the threshold for many immigration officers. And I think if one can show 20,000 baht in cash or a bank account with 20,000 baht in it, that may be enough to get over the threshold. That being said, immigration authorities make decisions with respect to allowing entry of a foreign national into the kingdom. They make those decisions on a case-by-case basis and based on the totality of the circumstances in front of them. So again, there's no hard and fast rule with respect to an amount, but that being said, as we've seen in the past, $20,000 seem to be sufficient, at least at land borders, that I've heard about anecdotally.